Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Monday, 13th July 2020. And before starting today's lesson, English lesson, let's recall the homework of Friday. Yes, on Friday I gave you to practice to form questions of negative statements. All right. So FGH was given to you to attempt as homework, and यहाँ पे हमारे पास नेगेटिव आंसर्स थे, नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स थे, और हमने इन आंसर्स के questions राइट करने थे. And on Friday we also discussed that a question ends with a question mark and a statement ends with a full stop. You see, एक स्टेटमेंट के एंड पे हम फुल स्टॉप यूज़ करते हैं, और एक क्वेश्चन के एंड पे वी यूज़ क्वेश्चन विच पंक्चुएशन मार्क. येस, एब्सोल्युटली, क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो हमने इन पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स को भी डिस्कस किया था, एंड we also learned that how to form questions for the negative statements. All right, so this was about the homework given to you on Friday. So now let's begin today's lesson. Today I'm going to make you learn about reported speech. What is reported speech and what is direct speech? There are two speeches basically. One is called direct speech and other is called reported speech. Now first of all, the question comes that how can you identify that what is reported speech and what is direct speech? Alright, for this one, let me show you this chart. Reported speech with examples. Here are a few examples. So let me read these examples for you. This column offers direct speech and this column offers reported speech. Let me show you closely. Alright. So first statement is, Peter said, I like English. You see, this sentence we have used punctuation, different punctuation marks. For example, we have used inverted commas here. You see, आप ये देख रहे हैं, ये inverted commas हमने यहाँ पे use किए हैं. And here in this one sentence we have not used inverted commas. Peter said that he liked English. Peter said that he liked English. And there is no any inverted commas. यहाँ पे कोई inverted commas नहीं है, but here we have used inverted commas. Alright, so we can say that we can simply identify direct speech by the inverted commas. इन डायरेक्ट स्पीच में हमेशा जो स्पीकर के वर्ड्स हैं उनको इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में विद इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. बट इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, इन दिस वन, in these examples you can see that there is no use of any inverted comma. There is only one punctuation is used here, and that is full stop. You see, this is the full stop at the end of the statement. Why? Because here in reported speech we have represented the words of a speaker in our own words. So first of all, we can identify these two speeches with the help of inverted commas. In direct speech there is always use of inverted commas, and in reported speech there is no use of inverted commas. Alright, we only use full stop. So first difference is that इस तरह से आप identify कर सकते हैं direct speech को and reported speech को. Second thing is that we can say that a direct speech is that kind of speech in which we report the words of a speaker within inverted commas. डायरेक्ट स्पीच एक ऐसी स्पीच है जिसमें हम स्पीकर के वर्ड्स को विद इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ़ यू रीड सम स्टोरी, सम नॉवल, आपने देखा होगा अब तक जितनी भी आपने जब भी कोई स्टोरी या नॉवल या कुछ भी पढ़ा है तो उसमें स्पीकर के वर्ड्स को इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. वाई? बिकॉज वी ऑलवेज रिपोर्ट एग्जैक्ट वर्ड ऑफ अ स्पीकर विद इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास. कि जो स्पीकर की बात है, जो बात करने वाले की जो भी वर्ड्स है, उसकी जो भी डायलॉग है, उसको हम इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच में. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ नेम्ड एज डायरेक्ट स्पीच. बट रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच, वी रिपोर्ट द वर्ड्स ऑफ अ स्पीकर with in our own words. हम अपने अल्फाज में स्पीकर के वर्ड्स को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. So that is called reported speech. Let's read some more examples. She said to me, I am student. She told me that she was student. First of all, see the difference of inverted commas. Direct speech में inverted commas है and indirect speech में there is no use of inverted commas. So this is the basic identification between direct speech and indirect speech. Alright, now let's open up your workbook. Alright, so this is the workbook page number 14. Workbook page number 14. Now I would request you to take out your highlighters as well. Reported speech. First of all, let's highlight this one and let's write down the day and date. Monday, 13th July 2020. Alright, so read the sentences below. The children said to the storyteller, we like your stories. You see here the inverted commas, the use of inverted commas, you see. So it means that this is the direct speech. This is the direct speech because here we have used inverted commas. Now read the second sentence. The children told storyteller that they liked his stories. So do you see any inverted commas used here? No use of inverted commas here, only full stop. So it means that this one is reported speech. Alright, now अब हम ये स्टडी करेंगे इस टेबल में कि जब डायरेक्ट स्पीच से रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में एक सेंटेंस को चेंज किया जाता है तो उस सेंटेंस के अंदर क्या क्या चेंजेस आते हैं. राइट, उस सेंटेंस के अंदर क्या क्या चेंजेस आते हैं. So let's read the statement. Note the differences between sentence 1 and sentence 2 on page number 14. Now complete the list below. The list has been started for you. अब यहाँ पे sentence 1 जो था that is related to direct speech and sentence 2 was about reported speech. यहाँ पे जो हमने sentence पढ़ा था sentence 1, you see, let's highlight this one. Sentence 1 and sentence 2. Sentence 1 was about direct speech and sentence 2 was about reported speech. Sentence 1, we like your stories. The children told storyteller they liked his stories. This is the sentence 2. Alright, so these are two columns here and now we are going to create the difference between, we are going to mark out the difference between sentence 1 and sentence 2. That is sentence 1 direct speech and sentence 2 reported speech. So in sentence 1 there is a use of inverted commas. Alright, so it means that basic difference एक ये है. And sentence 2 no inverted commas. Sentence 1 said to the storyteller and sentence 2 told the storyteller. ये two differences हमने note किए हैं. Then sentence 1, we like stories. We is being transformed into they in sentence 2. Then sentence 1 like and in sentence 2 liked. Reported speech में like को हमने change किया है liked में, past verb में. Then your sentence 1, look, your and your becomes his. Your becomes his. In sentence 2 that is your reported speech. Alright, so these are the basic two differences. ये differences आए हैं किसमें? Sentence 1 and sentence 2, direct speech and reported speech. It means that जब हम direct speech से reported speech में transform करते हैं तो हमारे पास कुछ changes भी आते हैं. Do you remember what these words become in reported speech? अब हम ये practice करेंगे कि ये जो given words हैं जब हम direct speech से reported speech में change करते हैं तो ये क्या बन जाते हैं. For example, this, now, I, is or am, can, we, are, and here. So अब इन words में भी कुछ changes आएंगे और वो क्या हैं? Let's find out. This becomes that, here becomes there, now becomes then, are becomes were, I becomes she or he. डिपेंड करता है कि उस जेंडर क्या है जिसके बारे में बात की जा रही है. We becomes they, I is or am becomes was, and can becomes could. Because when we change a sentence from direct speech into indirect speech, हम एक टेंस बैकवर्ड चले जाते हैं, हम पास्ट में चले जाते हैं. सो ये हमारे पास कुछ चेंजेस थे. नाउ लेट्स टेक अ लुक वंस अगैन. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे जब हमने सेंटेंस रीड किया, पीटर सेड आई लाइक इंग्लिश, एंड रिपोर्टेड स्पीच पीटर सेड दैट ही लाइक्ड इंग्लिश. लाइक बिकम्स लाइक्ड बिकॉज हम पास्ट में चले गए हैं, बिकॉज ये प्रेजेंट में दिया हुआ है बट हम इसको पास्ट में चेंज कर रहे हैं. लाइक बिकम्स लाइक्ड, एम बिकम्स वॉज, had lost, have lost becomes had lost, don't like, didn't like, will help, would help, is becomes was. अब ये देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे हाईलाइटेड हैं ये वर्ब्स, बिकॉज यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट स्पीच में ये वर्ब्स प्रेजेंट में हैं जो स्पीकर के वर्ड्स हैं, एंड यहाँ पे हम इसे वन स्टेप बैक पास्ट में ले जाते हैं, राइट. सो दैट्स हाउ वी चेंज डायरेक्ट स्पीच इनटू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. Alright, so now let's read the statement. Change the following sentences into reported speech. अब हमारे पास जो sentences हैं, examples हैं, हमने इन्हें reported speech में change करना है. So how do you know that this is direct speech? Yes, with the help of inverted commas you can identify that this one is reported speech. The old man stood up and said, I am going right now. Now am will become was and now will become then. As we studied here, जैसे हमने यहाँ पे भी पढ़ा, as we learn here that कि now becomes then. The old man stood up and said he was going right then. B, it is never too late to say sorry, said the teacher. So is becomes was. That's correct. The teacher said that it was never too late to say sorry. They said we can do it. They said we can. Can becomes could. You see, can becomes could. They said they could do it. Rest of the sentence will remain unchanged. हम अपने जब डायरेक्ट स्पीच से रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में ट्रांसफॉर्म करते हैं, चेंज करते हैं अपने सेंटेंस को, हम अपने सेंटेंस का कॉन्टेक्स्ट चेंज नहीं करते, हम अपने सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज नहीं करते, बट ग्रामेटिकली उसके अंदर जो वर्ब है उसको पास्ट में ले जाते हैं, और जो प्रोनाउन के अंदर चेंजेस आती हैं हम उन चेंजेस को करते हैं. डी, व्हाट कैन आई डू, शी आस्क्ड, एंड हियर can will become could. Can, could. What can I do? She asked. She asked what she could do. So यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्वेश्चन मार्क है विद इन इन्वर्टेड कॉमास, बट यहाँ पे हम कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं राइट करेंगे, हम सिंपल स्टेटमेंट बनाएंगे, बिकॉज इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच we report the words of speaker in our own words, and you see that there is only one punctuation in reported speech, and that is full stop. Alright, so that's how यहाँ पे हमने ये सब जो था ये प्रैक्टिस किया. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ आई वुड लाइक यू टू प्रैक्टिस अ बिट मोर. लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द टेक्स्ट बुक. ऑलराइट, टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 24. ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. Here, first example, they are strong. First example is they are strong, he said. The exact word of speaker are in inverted commas. So it means that this one is direct speech. This one is called direct speech. Please write it down, because there inverted commas are, because here inverted commas are used. So this is direct speech, because the words of a speaker, are are represented within inverted commas. We can report this sentence like this: he said they were strong. Are becomes were. You see, let's highlight are becomes were. And which one is the reported speech? This is reported speech. Alright, now change the following sentences in the same way. We are given with direct speech and we are asked to change these into indirect. Now we will attempt this work in our notebook, so I would like you to open up your notebooks, please. Alright, first of all, you have to prepare your notebook page, draw a margin line, then write down Monday 13 July, this is the day and date, classwork, unit number 4, the storyteller, topic reported speech. Then write down the statement, change the following into reported speech. A, where are they? Where are they? He asked Amna. This is an interrogative statement. अब आप ये देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे question है within inverted commas. So when we will change this direct speech into reported speech, R will become were, because it is plural, so R becomes were. He asked Anam where they were. B, we are young. They said they were young. I am Mona, she told us. She told us she was Mona. Am becomes was, क्योंकि हम past में चले जाते हैं और inverted commas को remove कर देते हैं. I like mangoes. He told me he liked mangoes. Like is the present verb and liked is past verb. E, it is dead. He said it was dead. Is becomes was. We are tired, they said. They said we are tired. So that's how you will change these into reported speech. Alright, so now it's time to look at the diary. Today's diary is do homework workbook page number 15, B3, C, D as homework. आपने workbook का जो part है B3 आपने उसको home practice करना है. Alright, so this is C and D. This is to be practiced as homework. Alright, so let's recall once again. Today we have learnt about reported and direct speech. Alright, so in direct speech we use inverted commas, and in reported speech we report the words of speaker without any inverted commas, and we report the words of speaker in our own words. And there is a change in the tense. For example, present, simple present will change in simple past, present continuous will change in past continuous. जो भी tense आएगा उसको हम past में ले जाएंगे. Alright, so that's how we have changed the direct speech into reported speech. And how do we identify that? With the help of inverted commas, because direct speech is represented within inverted commas. क्योंकि direct speech में speaker के words within inverted commas represent किए जाते हैं. So this is all about reported and direct speech. Thank you very much. Look after yourself. Stay home. Stay safe.